finish my homework. What have you done? I drew a lion. What? Shut up, bitch! You want to fight to the death? The death of a contest of death? Yeah. Hey, Kat, explain to me really quickly what we win. Stretchy pants. Stretchy to the maximum? Yes. Stretchy. Pick our contest out of this Archie comic I did for homework. For homework. Blacker. Anyways, I don't trust it. Fine, you get to pick the first thing. You can clone better. Anyways, pick one. I did. Let's do this. Hey, Cat. Hey, Savannah. Where's their clone? Just right over there. Hey, guys. What's up? Yeah, that is my clone. What's your clone? Where is it? Where is it, Cat? Over there. Kids can't see. What did you do to her? What's next on the list? Being Jesus-like. No, I get to pick this. What? I won last one. It wasn't my fault. The machine went horribly wrong. No. I quit the season contest just for that reason. Ready? Yes. I hate you. Savannah, get on that. Anyways, pick the thing! Yeah. Slink wink. Ow! Ugh. Okay. Hi. And what? What? Who are you?
Why, hello there.
Why are you in my house?
I've been expecting you.
Who are you?
You know.
I snort this once. You left residue everywhere. You know what? Evidence. Snort it! Ew. I drew a lion. I drew